Remember that horrible backup on I-80 East near Newton? It shut down that part of the interstate for hours on February 4th. We have new video from a state trooper involved in that crash. This is one of the outside views. The trooper pulls up to the initial crash, but then the patrol car is hit from behind by a semi-tractor trailer. Here's the inside view. The patrol car was hit a second time by another semi-tractor trailer. And for a third view, the state patrol car is hit a third time by a tanker trailer that rolled onto the patrol car. This is the outside video. The trooper is okay, but his car, as you can see, is not.